Hi everyone, Windows 11 came with new settings. While Microsoft made everything easier for users, many would find it difficult to locate the new settings. The same is the case with network adapter settings. If you wish to enable or disable the network adapter in Windows 11, use the steps. Right-click on network icon in notification area. Select Network and Internet settings. Scroll down to the last option, Advanced Network Settings. Click on it. Under the Network Adapters section, click the Disable button to turn off. Click the Enable button to turn on the network adapter on Windows 11. I hope you like. Thanks for watching the video.